Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubak mi ya katanat kampo yeng polis ubak Preston tensong haga kendai trik nailor ula pentikna baka Sorkar jela kala shimkhia bha halor ka jingjah rngai jong kuwi ka khynnah Henryus namrta nakashnong Upper Raja Simla ha North Garo Hills District kane ka jingjah kadang yai beteng banlong kamat ka bakongsan batla persang ya barok kilat kilinti ban yo ban wan lampat ya kane ka khynnah shala ki jong ki bahayeng hasam bat ban pentikna ban penyo ya ka jimbishar hok ong uba Preston haba jubab ha 0 hour notice kapalawan ra da UMLA ka Kharkutta Rupert Moment hapo ka yengdor bar thau an ka jela ula Pyntip baki pulit bat ki kinhun ba pher kila trei borba khlem shong than ban lap dien pat ya ka ne ka khynnah bat ban lap ya ka daw tan rai halor ka ne ka jingjah ngai ka jongka kane ka khynnah kala jar ngai na du ka khat pratrik nai tung arja arpsan hakapor kumba shibaje shiteng minsngi katba ki kemi ki kpa jongka kidang leitrei hapo jongka scheme MGNREGA la ujor e jahar halor kane ka jingjah ngai da ukpa jongka de khynnah hapo Kharkutta police station hakbala sedang ban pelong ya ka jingtokin na kalyang ki pulit bat kitanat ba pher kumju kinong shong shnong kila pelong ya ka jingwat ya ka ne khynnah shakaleng gijaka Henry Kim shimalap din satya kibabun teli ki kinhun ka bakenthop ya ka special force search and rescue team fire and emergency services bat ka K9 unit kila don hakate ka than bala pendan kamru ya da ki drone ban pelong ka jingwat ha ki jaka ki bashem shitam ban poi Sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong ba wei ubriu la syak kemno hakabaya de bat ka ni ka jingjah jar ngai bat ka jingbut dia ni ka jinglap sai kadang ya syakman kum shi benta jong ka jingto kin labut dien halor ki kattu ka ni ka jinglap sai kenthop ka jingla bandan benta de ki briu ki banabar ki pulit klaya trilang ru bat ki pulit ka Assam ban penshisha yi ka jingtep ki bayo kenthop ka jingwat benya bat ki nong de marjot bat ki wei pat ki suba Uwei ubriu la syak kemno halor ka ni ka jingjah katba ka jingkmi benya kala longru persha iki kattu ka ningot ki riu shimen Henry amshim la yo satya ya ki sakhi satar ki babyang ula ong da ka ba penpa ka jingso kya namar what happening ka jinga shim benta jung ki babon ki kinhun bat ka jinga trilang bat ki wei pat ki jela Henry amshim la laksai satya ya ka ni ka khynnah kat hadu menta bat ka ni ka jingjah kadang don happening ka jing tokin na kalyang ki bor pulit kila treshitam khlem shong than ban wat iki sakhi satar ban lap ksai bat bumanra ka jingpen bej ya ka ni ka jingjah bas ngosi ong uba Preston
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
First and foremost, I want to assure this esteemed House and the public that the government is treating this case with the utmost seriousness. From the moment the missing person report was filed, police along with multi-other agencies and the community have been working tirelessly to find the child and uncover the circumstances of her disappearance. On 18 July 2025, approximately at 9:30 p.m., the father of the missing child, Shri Dingsan Armanak, filed a missing report at Kharkutta police station stating that his 6-year-old daughter was missing from their home in Upper Raja Simla since around 1:30 p.m. that day. The family had left her at home with her older siblings while they went for a day of MGNREGA work nearby. A search was immediately initiated by the family and villagers, but when she could not be found, the police were informed. So upon receiving the report, the police acted swiftly. An alert was sent via wireless message to all police stations, outposts, beat houses in Assam and Meghalaya, including a photo of the child. The case was formally registered at the Women Police Station, North Karo Hills, White Mendipatha Women Police Case number 19/2025 under section 137 subclause 2/1403 sub 3 and 4 BNS. The child's details were also entered into the CCTNS missing child portal, but Meghalaya as per standard operating procedure. Sir, an intensive search operation was launched immediately. The IO, along with other police personnel, visited the village, interviewed family members and gathered information from neighbors. A neighbor's child stated that they last saw the missing child playing near a church compound. The search expanded to cover of every probable location, including streams, wells, caves, and nearby forests. Local villagers, along with various non-governmental organizations, joined the police in large numbers, demonstrating an inspiring level of community solidarity. Sir, the search operation was further bolstered by the arrival of the Special Force SF-10, the Search and Rescue Team, the Fire and Emergency Services, and a K9 unit with a trained dog. Drones were also deployed to scan the difficult terrain. The search parties were organized into multiple groups, each led by a police officer or village leader familiar with the area. Despite these comprehensive efforts, no trace of the missing girl was found. Sir, as part of the investigation, several leads have been pursued, including the possibility of outside involvement. The police have also coordinated with Assam Police to verify related inputs, including inquiries with scrap dealers and other potential suspects. One individual has been arrested in connection with this case, while some individuals were examined. No conclusive evidence has yet emerged. Sir, despite the exhaustive multi-agency and interstate coordination, no trace of the missing child has been found as of date, and the case remains under active investigation. The police are leaving no stone unturned to gather evidences, pursue leads, and bring resolution to this distressing matter. Sir, with these few words, I once again thank the honourable member from Calcutta constituency for his concern and for tabling this 0-hour notice. The matter continues to be accorded highest priority, and every possible effort is being made to bring the child back to her family and ensure justice is served.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.